What is the smallest number? Let n be the number. N be the number. It is the smallest number. So n should be minimum. Whenever we talk about a largest number, I will write n maximum. Smallest number, I will write n minimum. Smallest number when increased by 5. This n, it is increased by 5 and the number is perfectly divisible by 8, 11, 24. Number is perfectly divisible by 8, 11, 24. This question we already solved it. I'll just 1 minute, I'll give an idea. N is the minimum value that when added by 5, the answer will be perfectly divisible by 8, 11 and 24. Any number which is perfectly divisible by 8, 11 and 24 is LCM of 8, 11, 24. We discussed how to find the LCM of the numbers. 8 will divide 24, so 8 can be eliminated. 11 and 24 are co-prime numbers. LCM of co-prime is their product. So n minimum plus 5 is LCM of 11 and 24. So this will be 264k. Because he is referring to n minimum, k value 1, I took it. 264 minus 5. Answer for this question is 259. Original CAT exam question 1994. 8, 11, 24. Why I did not do 8? Whenever you are doing an LCM, see here sir, LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I ask you which one is greater, which one is smaller, which one is greater and which one is smaller, just because the numbers are more does not mean that LCM of that right box will be more. Always remember, I told you in the PYQ session number 1, whenever you are doing an LCM, always largest number in the series should be your focus point. Whenever we are finding HCF, smallest number should be our focus point. Largest number should be our focus point. Focus on the largest number. If it is HCF, I will focus on the smallest number. I will focus on the smallest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, largest number 10 I will take. Whenever I am taking 10, all the factors of 10, please delete it. 1 is a factor of 10, 1 10s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 is deleted, 5 2s are 10. So, 1, 2, 5 it is eliminated. Come from the largest number. The second largest number is 9. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. So, 3 I eliminated. 3 I eliminated. If a number is not divisible, if it is 2 is eliminated. Next 8. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 I eliminated. Because 2 and 3 I eliminated, automatically 6 will be eliminated. That means LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very, very good question, sir. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is equivalent to LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. It is equivalent to LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. Very, very good example, sir. Whenever you are doing LCM related problems, whenever you are doing LCM related problems, largest number should be your focus point. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Largest number is 10. So, all the factors related to 10, please delete it. 1 delete, 2 delete, 5 delete it. Then come to 9. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. 3 delete it. Then it is 8. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 deleted. Then 7 is a prime number. Write down as it is. 2 and 3 are deleted. So 6 will be deleted. That means finding LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10 is equivalent to finding the LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very, very good question. Most of the students think that if the numbers are more, then the LCM will be more. That is possible when all the numbers are co-prime to each other. Otherwise, it is not possible. The set of numbers which are present in this box, they are not co-prime to each other. First question, I hope the idea it is clear. First question, I hope the idea it is clear. Now, if you see here, answer is right 8, 11, 24. Next one, what is the least number? Least number means, right, n should be minimum. What is the least number that must be subtracted from 1856? 1856 is a number, sir. 1856 is a number. From these number, something should be subtracted. From these number, something should be subtracted such that remainder when divided by 7, 12 and 16, the number which is obtained after subtracting from 1856, that number when divided by 7, 12 and 16, the number which is divisible by 7, 12 and 16 is LCM of 7, 12 and 16. Number which is divisible by multiple numbers will be the LCM. LCM of 7, 12 and 16. In all the cases, how much it gives a remainder? How much it gives a remainder? 4 it gives a remainder. I hope the question idea it is clear. There is a number 1856. From these 1856, something should be subtracted. We don't know how much it is, right? After subtracting whatever answer that we get, that when divided by 7, 12 and 16, that when divided by 7, 12 and 16, what is the remainder it will give? Remainder it gives 4. Remainder it gives 4. Now listen carefully, sir. Remainder it gives 4. Just logically we will solve, sir. One is to find out the values. Another is, right, LCM of 7, 12, 16. Input one number is divisible by 4. That means output of this LCM function, it will be divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. 4 is also divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. Right hand side is divisible by 4. Left hand side, the divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 56 is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. The right hand side is divisible by 4. That means this should be divisible by 4. This should be divisible by 4. This is not divisible by 4. This is not divisible by 4. This is not divisible by 4. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Very much clear to you. Now if you see here, next one, this is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3. 4 when divided by 3, remainder 1. Right hand side, when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. Right hand side, this is divisible by 3. This gives a remainder 1. Right hand side, when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 8 minus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. What is the remainder we got? 3k plus 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 8 minus 1 plus 8, 9, or otherwise you do like this, sir. 1856 minus 140. Minus 140. So this will be 1710. 1710. Am I right? 1710 plus 140 is 8. Sorry, it is 1856, right? So it is 1716. It is 1716. It is 1856. Now see here. Now if you observe carefully, these when divided by 7, it gives a remainder 4. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. 716 minus 1 is 715. 715. So this when divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Remainder 1 I got. Remainder 1 I got. remainder 1 I got. Students do like this. What I am telling is, please don't do that way. This is divisible by 3. This gives a remainder 1. This is 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 8, 8. If I take 172, 7 plus 2, 9, 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 when divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1. Here also it is remainder 1. Here also it is remainder 1. So answer for this question is 172. Again I am telling you, how am I solving? Without doing any high-end divisibility rules. 1856 minus n is LCM of 7, 12, 16 into k plus 4. 7, 12, 16 into k plus 4. Observe carefully here. I told you in the first session, prime number is an extremely important concept. 12, it is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. 4 when divided by 3, remainder it is 1. That means right hand side is remainder 1. Right hand side when divided by 3, remainder 1. I hope this idea it is clear. Right hand side when divided by 3, remainder 1. 6, 8 plus 1, 9. Here it is 5. 5 minus, last option 172. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 minus 1, 4. Is 4 when divided by 3. Is it giving remainder 1? Yes. 3 ones are 3, remainder 1. I hope the concept is clear. What is the concept that is used in solving this question? If input one number is divisible by 3, output also it is divisible by 3. If input one number is divisible by 7, output also it is divisible by 7. 1856 minus 140. I got 1716. 1716. Is it when divided by 7, is it giving remainder 4? 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Remainder 1 it is giving. It should give remainder 4. I hope this idea it is clear, especially LCM related problems, HCF related problems, LCM and HCF application based problems are high frequency topic. Now see this question. See this question. Two positive integers. Integers which are positive are also called as natural numbers or the numbers which can be counted. There are two kinds of integers which are there, which are extremely important to us in algebra, number system, permutation and combination. Integers are minus infinite to plus infinite. I want non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. Integers are negative, 0 and positive. Negative, 0 and positive. Non-negative, other than negative. It is 0 to positive infinite. 0 to positive infinite. It is called an whole number set. It is called as an whole number set. Another synonym for whole number is non-negative integers. Another synonym for whole numbers is non-negative integers. Another is integers which are positive value. Integers which are positive value. Integers are minus infinite to plus infinite. I require integers which are positive. 1 to positive infinite. The another synonym for positive integers are natural numbers. Do not get confused. If he gives positive integers, he is asking us to find natural numbers. If he is asking us to find non-negative integers other than negative, 0 and positive, he is asking us to find whole numbers. He is asking us to find whole numbers. Two positive integers, that means natural numbers, differ by 1. A is a natural number, B is a natural number, differ by 1. The sum of their reciprocal, A reciprocal is 1 by A, B reciprocal is 1 by B. Sum of their reciprocal, it is 10 by 21. It is 10 by 21. So this will become A plus B by AB is equivalent to 10 by 21. It is 10 by 21. Again, prime number will be of a powerful usage here, sir. 21. 21 is a composite number. It is divisible by two prime numbers, that is 7 and 3. That is divisible by 7 and 3. I hope here, what is the difference that is given? Difference is given as 4. A minus B, it is 4. 21, it is a composite number. Composite number is divisible by 7 and 3. Right hand side denominator, 7 prime number is there. Left hand side also 7 should be there. Right hand side denominator, 3 it is there. That means left hand side also 3 it should be there. 3 it should be there. So A is 7, B is 3. A minus B, it is 4. So 7 minus 3, it is 4. One number has to be, because A and B are not fractions. If it is fractions, you would have counted me by saying that, sir, 1 by 21 into 21, right? 2 by 1 by 21 into, suppose 441. You can do like this also. 1 by 21 into 441. A and B are, it is clearly mentioned in the question, A and B are positive integers. Because A and B are positive integers, 21 has to be written as a product of two natural numbers. 21 is a composite number. The prime factors of 21 are 7 and 3. So A has to be 7, B has to be 3. Difference, it is 4 clearly mentioned. One of the number will be 3, another number will be 7. I hope the idea it is clear. Please put a star mark on these important key points. Integers are of two types. One is a non-negative integer, another is an positive integer. One is a non-negative integer, another is a positive integer. Relatively very easy question. Original CAT exam question, 1995. Now see here. Let us read the next question. Next question. Please read the question. These kind of questions, don't leave it, sir. Again an original CAT exam, 1995 question. There are 3 bells are there. These 3 bells chime at an interval of 18, 24 and 32 minutes. There is bell 1 and there is bell 2 and there is bell 3. First bell will chime after 18 minutes. Second bell will chime after 24 minutes. Third bell will chime after 32 minutes. At a certain time, that means first bell will chime at 18 minutes, then 36 minutes, then 54 minutes, then 17 minutes, 72 minutes. It will always go in a multiple of 18. Second bell will chime at a multiple of 24. Third bell will chime at a multiple of 32. What is the question that he is asking? At a certain time, they begin to chime together. What length of time would they elapse before they chime together? Already we did. What is the number where 4 and 6 will meet? 4 and 6 will meet at LCM of 4 and 6. When will two numbers 3 and 5 will meet? 3 and 5 will meet at LCM of 3 and 5. That means these 3 will meet at an LCM of 18, 24, 32. LCM of 18, 24, 32. Please do not waste your time in doing calculation for these 18, 24, 32. I told you one point in the first class of CAT PYQ, part 1. What is that I said? Whenever you are finding LCM, if input one number is divisible by 9, if input one number, if it is divisible by 9, output also it will be divisible by 9. If input one number, if it is divisible by 9, output also is divisible by 9. Output also is divisible by 9. 18 it is divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18 it is. That means input one number is divisible by 9. Output should also be divisible by 9. Ours is 60 minutes. 2 into 60 plus 24. 120 plus 24. It is 144 minutes. 4 into 60, 240 plus 48. 288. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 36 minutes. 96 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 5 into 60 is 300 minutes. 5 into 60 is 300 minutes. Very logically we will solve, sir. Input one number is divisible by 9. Output also it should be divisible by 9. So, two options are out. What is another point? I already told you, whenever we are finding LCM, what should be the focus point? Focus point is on largest number. Focus point is on largest number. Focus point it is on largest number. Answer should be divisible by largest number. What is the largest number given in the question? 32. Answer should be divisible by 32. 32. 4s are 128, 32. 5s are 160. Not possible. So, answer for this question is 288. Without even doing the LCM, how I got the answer? Answer for this question is 4 hours 48 minutes. Answer for this question is 4 hours 48 minutes. Very simple question. 3 bells rang. 3 LCM, some models are there, right? One bell rang at 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 12 minutes, when they will strike again. These kind of questions are quite high frequency questions in CAT and other management examination. There are 3 bells are there. First bell will chime at 18 minutes, second bell 24 minutes, third bell 32 minutes. All of them will meet at LCM of 18, 24, 32. Input one number is divisible by 9. Output also it should be divisible by 9. What I did? I took 1 hour as 60 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 plus 36 is 96 minutes. It is not divisible by 9. 5 into 60 is 300. It is not divisible by 9. 4 into 60, 240. Plus 48 is 288. 288, sum of the digits is 18, which is divisible by 9. 2 into 60 plus 24. 120 plus 24. 144. It is also divisible by 9. But answer should be divisible by 32. 144 is not divisible by 32. Therefore, the answer for the question is 288. Traditional methods you will find anywhere. How I am solving? Learn that right tricks to solve the question in the fastest way. Next one. For the product of the number, this kind of questions are important, sir. For the product of the number, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, this product, n is a natural number. n is a natural number. You take any positive integer value, 10 you take, 20 you take, 30 you take, 40 you take, substitute there. n is a positive integer or n is a natural number. Which one of the following is not necessarily true? Which of the following is false? Which of the following is false? n is a natural number. What is the lowest natural number? 1. 1 into 2 into 2 plus 1, 3. 2 3s are 6. Is 6 and what is the first option? Is 6 an even number? Yes. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. Always divisible by the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers is given by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to n square is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Is these divisible by this one? Yes. So, answer for this question is never divisible by 237. Never divisible by 237. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. This kind of questions also came in, similar model also came in exact examination. The question, I remember these of the pattern, n into n plus 1 into n plus 5. n into n plus 1 into n plus 5. Please tell me whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Answer should be either yes or no. Whether n, if n is a natural number, if n is a natural number, if n is a natural number, n into n plus 1 into n plus 5, whether it is divisible by 3 or not. This is the question. If you get this kind of question, what should be the approach? N is a natural number. Substitute any natural number in place of n. Smallest natural number is 1. 1 into 2 into 1 plus 5, 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 is divisible by 3. If n is 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 5, 7. It is also divisible by 3. If n is 5, right? 5 into 5 plus 1 into 5 plus 5, 10. 6 is also divisible by 3. Sir, I took few examples and I got the conclusion that it is always divisible by 3. Can you give a mathematical proof? Definitely yes. By substituting few values, I can conclude that this number, it is divisible by 3. Any natural number, when you divide by 3, remainder will be 0. When you divide by 3, remainder will be 1. When you divide a number by 3, remainder will be 2. So, any number when you divide by 3, remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2. These are the 3 possibilities. When you divide a number by 3, you will get 3 possibilities. 0, 1, 2. When you divide a number by 5, you will get 5 possibilities. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you divide a number by k, you will get k possibilities. The possibilities are from 0 to k minus 1. 0 to k minus 1. If I substitute n is 3k, 3k into any number, 3 into any number, it will be divisible by 3. If I take 3k plus 1, n will be 3k plus 1. N plus 1 is 3k plus 2. Next is 3k plus 1 plus 5. 3 into k plus 2. 3 into any number. It is divisible by 3. N is 3k plus 2. 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 2 plus 1. 3k plus 3 into 3k plus 7. This is also divisible by 3. So, you take any natural number, when you divide a number by 3, remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2. If any number which is giving a remainder 0, the form will be 3 into something. Any number when you divide a number by 3, if remainder 1 if it is giving, it is 3k plus 1. Remainder 2 if it is giving, 3k plus 2. If n is 3k, 3 into any number divisible by 3. N is 3k plus 1. 1 plus 5, 6. It is divisible by 3. 3k plus 2. 2 plus 1, 3. It is divisible by 3. I hope the idea it is clear. This kind of expressions are very, very important, sir. Which of the following options are always true? Which of the following option is definitely false? Very high frequency repeated question. Anyway, each and every question what we are taking are an original CAT exam question, so that you will get an idea of what comes in CAT examination. Now next one. The remainder obtained when a prime number greater than 6 is divided by 6. Any prime number greater than 6, when divided by 6, how much? Any prime number greater than 6, when it is divided by 6. There is a beautiful concept. Please write down, sir. 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1. It cannot be 6k. The reason is, every prime number greater than 3, it is an odd number. Every prime number greater than 3, it is an odd number. Any odd number will never be divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, then it becomes an even number. Please make a note. I wrote 6k or 6k plus or minus 1. It's a mistake. It has to be 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1. When you divide a number by 6, remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3. remainder 3. This will be remainder 4 and this will be remainder 5. When you divide a number by 6, these are all the possible remainders. 6 into any number, it becomes an even number. Every prime number greater than 3, it has to be an odd number. 6k plus 2, it is an even number, it is an even number. Even number plus even number, it is an even number. Every prime number greater than 3, it has to be an odd number. It is an even number, 4 is an even number. Answer also has to be an right even number according to this case. But every prime number greater than 3, it is right an odd number. D is divisible by 3, D is divisible by 3. That means which all forms we got? 6k plus 1 or 6k plus 5 we got. Positive remainder 5 means negative remainder minus 1. Already in the first class we discussed how to convert positive remainder to negative remainder. Any prime number greater than 3, other than 2, all the prime numbers are odd numbers. So, any prime number greater than 3, forget about greater than 5, 7, greater than 2 itself, every prime number will be an odd number. So, it has to be an odd number. When I divide by 6, when you divide a number by 6, you will get 6 reminders. Remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3, remainder 4, remainder 5. Remainder 0 means it is perfectly divisible by 6. Any number which is divisible by 6, it's an even number. Prime number should be an odd number. It will give remainder 1. It will give remainder 2. This is even, this is even. Not possible. These multiple of 3, these multiple of 3. Not possible. Even, not possible. Plus 5, it is possible. Positive remainder plus 5. Negative remainder will be minus 1. Now, if you observe, right, what are the forms we got? 1 or 5. 1 or 5. I hope the idea it is clear. Instead of writing 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1, I wrote 6k. Please make a note of that mistake. I hope the idea it is clear. It's all about having a sound, absolute conceptual clarity. Solving these questions are very, very easy. This is a very easy question. Cost of 72 hens. 72 into. Right? Each hen cost we don't know, but 2 blanks are given. 96.7 slash. What will be the digit of these digit and these digit? We have to find out. It is invisible. Simple multiplication. Suppose if I take option C, 5.51, this will be 72 into 5.51. We will do like this, sir. 72 into 5 plus 0.50 plus 0.01. Is it 5.51? Yes. Now it will be very easy, sir. 72 into 5, it is 36. 72 into 5, 360. 72 into 0.5, 0.5 is half. It is 36. 72 into, right, 0.01, it is 0.72. 0.72. This is 360.00, it is 36.00, it is 0.72. 0.72. If you observe closely, this is 2, this is 7, it is 696. 96.7. The number before one digit, number after one digit. Just a simple multiplication, because I know how to do it with 5, 10, 10 power 5. Immediately my eyes went on to this number 5.51. This number 5.51. Try to do it with other values, you will not get the answer. Relatively an very, very easy question. 3 consecutive positive even numbers. Positive even numbers go with a difference of plus 2. Positive odd numbers go with a difference of plus 2. There are 3 consecutive positive even number such that thrice the first number, okay, thrice the first number exceeds double the third number by 2. Let the third number. Now is the best way to solve this question is by using substitution. By using substitution. By using substitution. If the third number, if it is 10, number before will be 6 and 8. Number before will be 6 and 8. Number before will be 6 and 8. There are 3 consecutive positive even numbers are such that thrice the first number, thrice is 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. Exceeds double the third number. Double third number it is 2 tens are, it is double the third number. 2 tens are 20. 20 it is 2 more than 18. 20 it is 2 more than 18. Thrice the first number exceeds double the third number by 2. 3 consecutive positive even numbers. 3 consecutive positive even numbers. Let me take 16. If it is 16, this will be 14 and this will be 12. 3 times the positive number. 3 times 36. Double the third number. 16 twos are 32. Difference is 4. I need 2. Understood, right? These kind of questions, don't keep x plus 2, x plus 4. Plug in the answer options. Easily you will get the answer. Please plug in the answer option. Easily you will get the answer. 5 power 36 minus 1. Reminders is another extremely important concept whenever you are solving CAT related questions. I would strongly recommend students to have an absolute clarity on negative reminders. If you are good in negative reminders, you can solve these problem very, very easily. Very, very easily. You can solve this problem by using negative reminder and also by using the concept of a power n plus or minus b power n. Please write down, sir. Either first one you can use or second one you can use. Problems based on a power n plus or minus b power n. Right. Method 1, method 2. 2 methods will solve this question. Method 1. Method 1. We will use answer options to check whether the question statement is getting satisfied. Method 1. 5 power 6 minus 1. Suppose if I say, listen carefully, sir. If I say 12 is divisible by 3. If I say 12 is divisible by 3, can I say that 12 when divided by 3, remainder will be 0? 12 is divisible by 3. 12 is a multiple of 3 or 3 is a factor of 12. When I say this is perfectly getting divided by this number, remainder it is 0. So we will use the first option. 5 power 6 minus 1 when divided by 13. If I get the remainder 0. If I get the remainder 0. If I get the remainder 0, then right answer will be, right, 5 power 6 minus 1. 5 power 6 minus 1, right, will be divisible by 13. Which power of 5 when divided by 13? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. So this will be 5 square whole cube minus 1 whole cube divided by 13. 13, 2s are 26. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. I need to get a remainder 0. So 13 is not a possibility. 13 is not a possibility. 13 is not a possibility. Second one, 5 power 6 minus 1 divided by 31. Which power of 5 is closer to 31? 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. So this can be written as 5 cube whole square minus 1 square divided by 31. 5 cube whole square minus 1 square divided by 31. 5 cube is 125. 5 cube is 125. 31 fours are 124. Remainder it is 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0. That means 5 power 6 minus 1, it is divisible by which number? 31. 8 is divisible by 2. 8 when divided by 2, remainder 0. 12 is divisible by 3. 12 when divided by 3, remainder 0. 5 power 6 minus 1 when divided by 31. Which power of 5 when divided by 31? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 5 cube is 125. 5 power 3 is 125. 31 fours are 124. Remainder it is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is one way. Another way is, please write down, sir. Another way is x square minus y square is divisible by x minus y and x plus y. X plus y. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b and a plus b if n is an right even number. If n is an even number. A power n minus b power n. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b and a plus b. So 5 power 6 can be written as 5 cube whole square minus 1 square. 5 cube whole square minus 1 square. Is n an even number? Yes, n is an even number. So it is always divisible by a minus b and a plus b. 5 cube minus 1 and 5 cube plus 1. 5 cube minus 1 is 125 minus 1 is 124. 124 is 4 times 31. 5 cube whole square minus 1 square. A square minus b square is a minus b and a plus b. A minus b we got it as 5 cube minus 1. 5 cube minus 1 is 125 minus 1, 124. 124 is 4 times 31.